Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 easy ways to remove TikTok watermark. So if you want to upload a video on TikTok but you don't want that TikTok watermark to be appear in the video because you also, let's say, upload it into another platform, for example Instagram Reels or Snapchat, this is how you can use the steps to remove the watermark. So the first one that you can do is that not create a TikTok video in the app. So if you create a TikTok video on the app, you can always see the watermark when you save it. So you can use a video editor like CapCut to edit your video and also create the videos. You can pre-record it your videos and then edit it on CapCut, and you can when you save it there's no watermark, so you can just upload it to TikTok, Instagram, or whatever platform that you are using. And the first one that you can do is that you can use or create TikTok videos with Instagram Reels. You can open Instagram, and in here you can just click on the plus icon and create the reel. So unlike on TikTok, when you create a video from the camera, the Instagram camera itself, it will not appear, the watermark Instagram will not appear on the video when you save it. So the third tips that you can do is that you can preview on your TikTok video and screen record it here. So when you open your TikTok and click on the plus icon in here, so let's say I want to create a TikTok video, so I'm going to just record a random video like this. Let's hit on the check icon. So when you click on next, there will be this preview options. So in here you can just click on the preview and click on this to see the video on full screen. Now you can just turn on your screen recording apps on your phone and then screen record the video, and the video will be saved without watermark. That's the third tip. And the fourth tips is that you can use the save and exit technique. So in here, for example, I upload this video, so you can just adjust the availability, the who can view this post first. You can set it as private. Now click on post, and after this here you can go to your profile and find your private video. Let's see, okay, this one. Now you can just here click on the three dots icon. Now tap on save video, and you can use this trick. So you can just when you say click on save video, open other apps like this and then open the TikTok video again. So this trick will hopefully save the video without the watermark seen on the video. And the last tips is that you can use a third-party app like Snaptic. Here you can just tap on the three dots button on your videos. For example, this one's right here. You can click on the three dots icon and copy the link of the video, and then you can find on your browser Snaptic, or you can also download the app on the Google Play Store or App Store. Here you can click on this. Now you can just paste the link, tap on download, and here when you click on download, your video will be saved without the watermark. So I hope these 5 easy tips will help you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.